There's 500 tickets available to win this 2024 BMW S1000RR plus 5,000 euro. This motorcycle is equipped with M-Endurance wheels, quick shifter up and down, a Krapovich exhaust, M-Endurance chain, wheelie control, stoppie control, heated grips, cruise control, and much, much more. So for your opportunity to win it, go to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com, donate or buy the merch, and you're automatically entered to winner. We fitness increase, cartel free, world boss free. All right. I saw you, bro. World boss free. Shout out to Vibes Cartel. Free at last. All these years. Salute to him. World boss. There's only one real world boss, baby. But he ain't my boss. You're a world boss, but he ain't my boss.
Your medication makes me high.
Smoking that chalice. He said, that's good. He said, that's good. What's up, boys? Alright. I see you up there, baby. Way up there. I gotta go over. They got the main road closed. So I gotta go through the back way. What's up, boys? Alright. Boys out here, they recognize greatness. cheated that time, brother. I didn't cheat it like that. Hey. Take it over that way. Get over this one. Get back to you guys in a second.